Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet pocket shawl. I made it with a K-hook and Karen latte yarn. The pattern is down below. I think I made it just a little too long. If you like this length, then you can keep it the way I'm going to show you two different ways. One to make it a little bit shorter or to make it this long. Okay, so let's get started. This is the Karen Latte cakes that I used. It's Horizon Blue. I used two of these for my shawl. It's 8.8 ounces. Okay, I'm going to slip knot onto my hook. I did a chain count of 220. However, if that is too long, then I would suggest doing a chain count of 200. The one that I did with this yarn, it's a little stretchy and it did go to my knees, and if you don't want it that long, you could do 220 or less. So I would take that chain count and wrap it around your neck and see how long it goes, and that will determine how long you would like the length. Now I'm going to yarn over in the second chain from the hook. I'm going to half double crochet, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, repeat until you get to the end, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and then just keep half double crocheting until you get to the end. Then you're going to chain 1 and turn. In each back loop, make a half double crochet. So in the back loop, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops for a half double crochet. You'll do that until you get to the end, half double crochet. And I repeated this row 5 times. You can repeat it a little bit longer if you like, it's up to you. But I only did it for 5 rows before I got to my double crochets. Now chain 2 and turn. Now your 5 rows are done of the half double crochet. Now you're going to double crochet in that first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then skip a loop, go to the next, double crochet. Now you're going to do a wraparound double crochet around that second double crochet. So go behind it, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's a wraparound of the double crochet. You don't go in the loop, you just go around it. So go to skip a stitch, go to the next double crochet, and then do a wraparound double crochet around. Now you can just make this a double crochet, it doesn't have to be a wrap if you don't want it to. So yarn over, go around behind, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then you're just going to continue that until you get to the end. So skip and then go to the next double crochet and then do a wraparound double crochet, and then just complete it until you get to the very end. In the last stitch, make sure you end with 1 double crochet in the last stitch at the very end, and then you'll turn your work. Now chain 2 and turn, double crochet in that first stitch, and then you're in that 1 stitch there, skip and go to the next part of that double crochet wrap. Then work a double crochet wrap here, and you can go through both loops. I did a back loop in the first one, now this one it just can be all front, both loops, it's up to you, but I think it's sturdier when it's both loops. And then do your double crochet and then do a double crochet wrap around. This is all repeat now. And then when you go, it's going to look like this. Then you're going to not go in that one but the next stitch in that double crochet wrap again. Just repeat that until you get to the end. Work your double crochet and then do a wrap around it. I did about 22 rows of that row, so you can continue on and do a chain 1 and half double crochet in each stitch across for 5 rows. So this is just the end part of it is 5 rows of half double crochet, and then you'll end with a half double crochet. So yarn over, pull through, and this is the end, and you will fasten off. Now I'm going to make a pocket, make 2 of these pockets with a K hook, and I'm going to chain 30 all together. Now I'm going to work with a half double crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then make sure you're working a half double crochet, yarn over, pull through, and each chain across until you get to the very end. Going to chain 1 and turn and work a half double crochet in each back loop across, and I did this for 20 rounds, and you have to make 2 pockets if you would like to add pockets. So chain 1 and pull, and then you're going to fasten off here and then add these on to your shawl. On each side of the shawl I will have the pocket and sew it in from side to the bottom, back up the side. I'm having the lines go vertical on the pocket, and I went up about 7 to 8 inches. If you have the same length as me, you want to make sure your pockets are in the same distance of your hands, and so I went up about 7 to 8 inches on the bottom of the pocket. You may need to go a little bit more or less, just depending how long you make the length of your shawl. And then I just went back and forth with my yarn needle and sewed the sides and then the bottom, and kept the top part open, of course, for the pocket. And as you notice, like I said, the stripes of the pocket are going up and down instead of horizontal. You can make it horizontal if you like. I liked the design of that. Okay, so that's what it looks like. This is the opening, that's the bottom, and this is what it looks like. I hope this helps you, and the pattern is down below. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.